Hidden deep within the greenery of a quiet forest, this container house emerges like a modern fragment carefully placed inside nature. Glass, quartz-toned metal, wood, stone, and natural textures blend together to create a home that feels contemporary while remaining deeply connected to its surroundings. The project is composed of 4 shipping containers arranged in a dynamic composition that transforms a simple modular structure into a unique architectural experience. At the base of the house, 2 containers are positioned with a slight angle between them, creating a protected outdoor living space at the front of the home. This central area becomes the heart of the project, furnished with outdoor seating and a fire pit that recreates the warm atmosphere of camping while offering the comfort of modern living. During the day, it becomes a place to relax immersed in nature, while at night the fire and surrounding lights transform the space into an intimate retreat beneath the trees. Large glass facades facing this outdoor zone create a visual continuity between interior and exterior spaces, turning the living area into a glowing lantern visible from outside and reinforcing the connection between architecture and landscape. The 2 lower containers host the main, living functions of the home. The first container contains the living room, where light wood finishes, soft neutral tones, and expansive glazing dominate the atmosphere. Natural light floods the interior, while uninterrupted views of the forest become part of the design itself. A comfortable sofa area with television creates a welcoming environment for relaxation, while a dining table for 4 completes the social space with simplicity and elegance. Every material choice was designed to maintain warmth and harmony with the surrounding forest. The adjacent container gives access to the kitchen and ground floor bathroom. The kitchen combines white and gold finishes with warm wooden flooring that continues the visual language of the house. A textured gray stone surface rises from the wall and extends across the ceiling, creating a sculptural natural element that contrasts beautifully with the clean modern geometry of the container structure. At the end of the space, the bathroom remains compact yet bright, featuring natural materials and a calm minimal atmosphere that continues throughout the home. At the corner of the composition stands one of the most iconic elements of the project, the vertical container that houses the staircase, wrapped with glass openings facing the forest. This vertical volume becomes both a functional core and an architectural statement. Inside, a spiral staircase allows access to the upper level while occupying minimal space, reinforcing the efficient and intelligent use of the container structure. The upper floor is created by positioning another container transversely above the lower level. This bold move generates strong cantilevers, overlapping volumes, and dynamic architectural lines that give the exterior facade a sense of movement, solidity, and visual importance. Beneath the elevated container, a triangular void is created where integrated lighting softly illuminates the outdoor space below, enhancing the atmosphere during the evening hours. Arriving upstairs, the first bedroom is designed for a child or young guest, complete with a single bed and wardrobe in a compact but comfortable environment. On the opposite side lies the master bedroom, featuring a larger sleeping area, built-in storage, and a full-height glass facade opening directly toward the forest. The upper container is almost entirely glazed along one side, allowing every room on the upper floor to visually connect with the outdoor fire pit area and the surrounding trees. This transparency creates a continuous dialogue between the architecture and nature, where the forest becomes part of the interior experience itself. Completing the upper floor is the night bathroom, positioned opposite the master bedroom. Compact, elegant, and functional, the space features a modern shower and carefully selected materials that maintain the refined natural aesthetic of the home. Looking once again at the exterior, the bronze-brown metal cladding allows the house to blend naturally into the forest landscape. The tones recall the warmth of wood while preserving the industrial identity of the shipping containers, creating a balance between raw modernity and organic integration with nature. As winter arrives and snow begins to fall across the forest, the atmosphere of the project changes completely. The surrounding landscape turns white while the warm lights from inside the house glow through the expansive glass surfaces. From within, the snowy forest becomes a living panoramic view. From outside, the illuminated interiors project warmth into the cold night, transforming the house into a luminous refuge hidden among the trees. Whether imagined as a luxury Airbnb retreat, a peaceful off-grid escape, or a modern vacation home immersed in nature, this project demonstrates how container architecture can become emotional, elegant, and deeply connected to the environment around it. It is not simply a house made from containers, but a contemporary living experience where architecture, light, materials, and landscape come together as one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.